Hey guys, welcome back to the video with Tony's phone collection. This is going to be the last unboxing for the day. This phone, my wife actually bought it for me for like an early Christmas gift. So I've been looking at it for a while, and I already have one that's kind of like it. But this one I think was brand new. So, and the price I don't remember on it, but I know it was expensive. So we're going to take a look and see what we got in this one. Alright, so this is in the original box and everything. It should be maybe open for taking photos. I think he had a couple other ones posted, maybe one or two, I think, at the time. So here it is. And y'all know the ESPN phone. I have one of them. It is a Samsung A900, I think it is. That's on ESPN Mobile. This is the Sanyo. I think they only had two phones actually activated, or actually active on their company before they did away with them. I couldn't remember, to be honest, but I think there's just two. Here is one of them. Looks like the headphone jack cover did not get put in place right. We'll try to straighten it out. At least it's not as bad as the Samsung one. It's not all deteriorating and all that good stuff, so that's kind of a bonus. Well, let me pause this real quick. Alright, there you go. Got that back in. So I can see it looks to be new. The model is the Sanyo MVP, which I think there's another phone that looks like this. This one has a micro SD card in the top though, which is kind of interesting. But I'm going to go for the battery. I'm going to go and save this unboxing for later for you guys because there will be a video on it. And don't want to give it up, so let me see if I can grab the battery out of it so we can at least test it. Definitely a lot of things in here, and there's the battery right there. Doesn't seem to be expanded, but it may not have been ever charged either. I see it is running on the Sprint network because I think, like I said, the A900 I have looks to be a Sprint phone too, just a rebranded Sprint device anyways. Like I said, it looks to be dead, but I'm not too surprised because it doesn't look to ever have been used. But that's a very quick, short unboxing for you guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more videos to come. I got some more unboxings, and then I'm probably going to be doing the phone update, collection update, starter video. I don't know which one we're going to do if we're going to do them separately. So stay tuned for that.